Hey guys, Jude and I are going to make cookies today. Right, Jude?
Yeah.
So I found this recipe for chocolate chip cookies on Facebook through the Tasty website or Facebook page. Crying Baby samples with them. But I think I'm going to cut it in half because it's a lot of cookies. And you're supposed to be able to freeze them and stuff, but I don't think we need 30 cookies. Right, you need help there?
Yeah.
Here, I'll do it.
Put it on me.
So we're going to do 1 cup of butter melted. That's why I told you couldn't eat M&M's in the living room. That's why they're crying. That's okay. No counter space. Alright, so we're melting that, and then we are going to do 1 cup of brown sugar. 1 cup.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm making eggs.
What are you making?
Eggs for cookies.
Eggs for cookies. That's all he's here to crack the eggs, guys.
What does come from?
From right there, from the drawer. Wait, say that again. So it's gonna be 1 cup of brown sugar packed.
Where's that
From the drawer, puppy.
Oh, that one smells gross. Awful.
That smells awful?
Yeah. What away from? Careful. What away?
That doesn't smell awful. I just washed it.
That's awful.
This is to take hot stuff out of the oven. Yeah.
No, you don't do that.
I think you guys are going to hear babies crying the whole video, so. So we got our 1 cup of brown sugar packed.
Why does it stop?
And then you need 1 cup of regular sugar. We're going to see if this, oh wow, it was like exactly 1 cup in there. Wow. You got to mix the butter.
Can I mix?
Yes, you can mix. You have to mix the butter and the sugar together. This is hot, okay? So you gotta be careful. So you stir, okay? You gotta go like that, okay?
Like this.
Melted butter. So 1 cup. You gotta stir. So it's all mixed together, okay? You're doing a good job. Mix it, mix it, mix it. It says you have to mix it until it's a light color. That's funny.
Yeah. It's so fast.
Let me see. Let me try to do it fast. Can I try? Alright. I'm going to show you what this looks like real quick. Now, what are we going to do next?
Eggs.
Yes.
2 eggs.
2 eggs. Alright. You know how to crack an egg?
Yeah.
I'm going to let you do both. So, how do you crack an egg? Should you? That's one way. Okay. Don't touch anything. Jude's allergic to eggs, by the way. But he's cracked. Have you cracked eggs in class before?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let me make sure you didn't leave any. That was pretty good. There's no shells in there. Alright, can you do that one? You know what's easier? Look at me. If you go like this, you see? Here, now you try. Okay, good job. Now try cracking the egg in here. And you put your finger in the crack slowly, okay? Good job. That's a good egg cracking. Alright, let's wash your hands, okay? Come.
Ooh.
Don't touch it. Don't eat it. Come. It says it's half a tablespoon of vanilla. Wait, hold it straight. Alright, go ahead, put it in there. Good job.
Hey, that smells awful.
It doesn't smell awful. It's vanilla.
That smells great.
It smells great, right? It smells like it's going to be delicious cookies. What do you think? Come on, Jude. Did Jude help Mom?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Eggs and drop this to the wall.
Oh! Go ahead, mix.
Hi.
Tell them what you're doing.
I'm doing eggs crack.
Tell them what you learned in school today.
I'm not good about things.
You learned about things?
Can I do it?
Yep. And next is baking powder. And baking powder is 1 teaspoon. Okay, now we're going to add chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. And this says it takes 4 cups, but are you mixing it?
I'm mixing it.
Let's see. Whoa. Those are big chocolate chips. I don't think they're chocolate chips. I think they're morsels. Let's see. Bobby's gonna like these cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we gonna bake them today?
Yeah.
What happened? They look tasty?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You can't get stuff out of there. Since they're not chocolate chips, they're huge, by the way. But it's okay, right? We like chocolate?
Yeah. It gets stuck.
Go, keep mixing. Don't worry.
I can't wait to show you my cookies.
Alright, so we are done with the mixture, so we gotta turn this on and we gotta put it at 375. So we're gonna preheat that. We're gonna press start. And then when that's ready, we're gonna put the cookies in the oven for 12 minutes. Guys, Jude scooped out these cookies. Don't they look lovely?
Yeah. They look 3.
How many cookies are there? Can you count them for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I think you need to count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job! So Jude and I just put the cookies in the oven. We gotta put them in there for 15 minutes. We'll see you in 15 minutes, guys. Alright, so I lost my assistant. So, try to hear find them. And there you have it. Those are Jude's cookies, guys. They look pretty good, huh? So, we only baked 6 of them, so I'm gonna freeze these so we can bake them on another day. You can freeze them for up to a month. So I'm gonna put them in the freezer, and then after they're nice and frozen, I'm gonna put them in a Ziploc bag. So I froze these overnight, and now I'm gonna put them into a freezer bag, and then I can bake them as we go. The recipe called for double of what I did. They tasted good anyway. But it would have made 30 cookies, and I didn't have enough space to freeze 30 cookies. So, there you have it. And there you have it. They're good for a month, so they'll be good until September 29th. Say bye, Jude.
Bye, Jude.
Don't say bye, Jude. Say bye to everybody over there on the camera.
Bye, everybody.